Okay, so I want to take a moment here just to discuss that since these were assigned arbitrarily, the only thing that has to be true is that the angle, capital A, has to be opposite the side length, little a, and the same for each of the other characters. So when we prove this idea for a side angle side triangle, um, we actually learned three different things. And in general, what we learned is that I can get the triangle by taking half the product of the two sides that includes the angle and then multiplying it by the sine of that included angle. And that's why they call it side angle side. So we might be given this side, this angle, and this side, or as is the case in this image, we're given this side, this angle, and this side. Okay, so we're going to take a look at that. And we've got a particular situation here where the length A is 8, B is 6, but we know the included angle for C, and that's going to allow us to choose one of these. But we don't really have to think about which one we're choosing. We just know we're going to take 1/2 the product of the sides that make up that angle. In other words, the angle is included and created by those two sides. So we know that the area for this triangle situation they've given us is equal to 1/2 6 times 8 and times the sine of the angle included. So that's 30 degrees. All right, and if we punch this into the calculator, we're going to find 12 square units. Let's just for argument discuss another situation. Let's say that we knew that A was equal to 2, C was equal to 1, and if we look at this, if we're given A length and C length, then we need the angle B in order to use this particular theorem, and that's what we're going to get is the angle B is equal to 10 degrees. Okay, so I would draw this with, if I draw it the same way, I've got A is 2, C is 1, and they have to have given me an angle that goes here, and that angle turns out to be the other side length's opposite angle. Okay, so now I'm only plugging in different values, but I'm using the same formula. So we're going to have a triangle, and we're not even worried about the side length here for B. And we're going to take 1/2 2 times 1 times the sine of 10 degrees, and that just simplifies to the sine of 10 degrees. And that should be about 0.17 square units.